Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for joining me back. I'm just showing you some materials I'm going to be using for this dyeing process. And here are some of the materials that come in the packaging. As the video goes on, I will be reviewing each product that I'm using with this package. As you can see right here in the look on my face, that the high lift booster chemical and everything, it had this very strong potent smell to it. I really didn't like it. It kind of reminded me of bleach in a way, but not really. It wasn't as strong as bleach, because with bleach you actually need to be in a ventilated area. I wasn't really in a ventilated area, so it didn't really bother me, but the smell was pretty potent. I'm just doing right here is the mid shaft towards the ends of my hair of each section of each jumbo twist, and I left that on for about 15 minutes before I actually went closer to my roots to apply the rest of the color. Letting that sit for 15 minutes, I went back in and colored closer to my roots. I kind of still wanted that ombre effect, so I did leave about 2 inches away from my roots, free of dye. Then went back over the sections just to make sure everything was processed well. Overall, I give this Creme of Nature box dye a 8.5 because it didn't really mask the color I had underneath. So you're gonna see at the results how it actually came out. But otherwise, it was a pretty easy process. I didn't lose any of my hair. I didn't lose any of my hair texture, which is 4C. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I let this whole dyeing process stay on my hair about 35 minutes. And then I rinsed everything out. It was pretty cool, the process. You're gonna see how the final results look and what I actually did. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button below. Please like if this was helpful, and I'll see you soon.